What's up, sneakerheads? It's me, George Chichi, and today I'm gonna be restoring one of my friend's shoes. These are the white cement 3s with that Nike Air, and this shoe's gonna need a deep cleaning. I'm gonna unyellow the toe, or what is this called? I'm gonna unyellow this, and I'm gonna unyellow the Nike Air side. So first, let's do the deep cleaning. Now, since I'm gonna be restoring one of my friend's shoes, I'll put his Instagram somewhere right here. Follow him, and yeah, let's go. First thing I'm gonna do is bleach the shoelaces. Unyellow the shoes. So get your saran wrap and your unyellowing cream. So this is how the shoe's looking so far. This side looks really good. It used to look like this, and I just put some paint over it. And this is now white. It used to be yellow. And this is still kind of yellowed. Like, if you can see, this one's a lot more yellow than this one. And yeah. Alright, so this is how the final shoe is looking. As you can see, it looks pretty good. There doesn't look like there's any cracking. It is white again. This is all good. And I think I did a pretty good job on these. Now, one of my friends, he was all like, oh, you should do a school vlog. So if this video gets 10 likes, I'll make a vlog at school.